Welcome friends, you are watching Linux for the YouTube channel. My name is Sachin Sharma and today's topic is how SELinux is the reason that most of the scholars are failing in the RHCSA EX200. So we are helping the scholars by making these videos so that they can easily pass the RHCSA exam. So please subscribe my channel and like the video so that every new video will reach you on the time. So how you can troubleshoot then at the exam? Let's see. So I'm giving the first example. In RSCX exam, suppose you are asked to set up the Apache HTTP server where you need to take care of SELinux. So first you have to set up the Apache HTTP server. So first install the package. And the package name is HTTPD, right? After installing the package, you need to create the home page for your website. So within few moments, I will create a file with the name index.html, and after that, I will move this file into the document root of Apache, that is var_www.html. So then we are creating the home page, a file, and then moving this file to the var_www.html, the document root of Apache website. Now the package is installed. So let's create a file with the name index.html. So in this file, uh, whatever you want to write, you can write. Right? Now saving this file. After that, I'm moving this file to the document root. So I'm moving. File name is index.html and the document root is www.html. So my home page is set. Now I'm starting and enabling my service, the Apache service. Systemctl enable HTTPD. With this command, the two things will happen. When the service is started, and it will be enabled permanently. Right now, you can see the status of this service. The service is running well. So see the status. It is active and enabled and running. Right. After that, we have to allow this service in the firewall. So firewall -cmd -service is equal to http -permanent. So permanently we are adding the service http in the firewall, allowing it and reload the firewall. You have to reload the firewall. After that, we have to see that this site is basically able to run in browser or not. So I am testing in terminal that my site is working on. You need not to open the browser. With the help of this command, you can test on terminal also. So let's see it is working or not. This site is working or not. See the error number 403 forbidden, and see, read this line. You don't have permission to access this resource. In the RHCX exam, you will find these kind of the problem because you are not taking care of SELinux, right? So let's see what is the problem. Now see the status of SELinux with the command sc status. So here you can see it is enabled and it is in enforcing mode. It means it is blocking the unauthorized access, right? So how you can see that who is blocking this website? Because SELinux is the main reason. So by the help of this command, you can see that who is blocking. I'm showing you the one example. I'm explaining you this in some moment. This command. So what is the meaning of this command? Now understand the meaning of this command. AU search. So this command is searching the audit log. M for -M for message type ABC access vector cache, and TS for time stamp recent means within 10 minutes you are showing. In the audit log, I am finding the word denied. So who is denying? So here you can see denied, and that is denied. What is denied? See this. HTML page is denied. So SELinux is preventing this site. The main culprit is SELinux, right? So what is the reason that SELinux is not basically allowing it? So I'm showing you by one more command. Sudo ls space -lz, z is capital, var html index.html. So can you see this home page index.html file context type is user home page. That's why SELinux is not allowing you, right? So it is not the correct context. So what is the meaning of context? Context means like a label. If the correct label is there, SELinux will allow it. But the correct label is not there. It is not a correct type of file. So I am uh, relabeling this file correctly. By which command? Sudo restorecon capital R means recursively. Verbose means what you are what it will be labeled, it will show which directory I have to label, which file I have to label. Where www.html, right? So it is relabeling, right? So let's see that my index.html file has changed or not. So see once again. Yes, it has changed. It is label. It is context is changed. It should be HTTP syscontent. So with the help of this command, we are labeling the directory HTML. So if the correct label is there, then it will allow. So after the correct labeling, let's see that the site is running well or not. So how you can check? Again, you can check with the same command, curl. Now it is not disabling. My home page is good to show. Right? So this way you are taking care of SELinux in RHCSA. So this is the one example we have seen. One more example I will give. Suppose in the RHCSA exam, you are asked to create a separate directory. The directory must not be in the var www.html. It would be the separate directory. Then what you will do? So I'm creating the directory sudo website. Right? So it is my directory, and inside this directory I will create a index.html. So sudo web website index.html. So again I am creating a file. Right. I have created another file. There is a separate directory called website. Because it is a separate directory, you have to tell Apache that your home page is in this directory. So you have to edit another file, sudo with etc httpd on httpd.com. So here you have to edit some line numbers. So which line number you have to edit? The line number is 124. In the document root, you have to specify your directory. Which directory you have created, you have to specify it. So my directory is website, right? And the same thing, line number 129, you have to edit one more line and tell your directory website, right? So here you have to change two line numbers 124 and 129. After that, you have to restart the service. System restart HTTP, right? So this is restart. Now see that in this home page, you have a current context or not. Your correct context is there, SELinux context is there or not. So how you can see? ls capital ZT website. Can you see? It is not have a correct context, right? And even file doesn't have a correct context. Not the directory and not the file have a correct context. Here you can see. SELinux will not like this context. Right? That's why the site should not be run. So let's see. Check once again by the curl command. You see the error 100. The error is in the same 403 forbidden. So how you can correct this problem by taking care of SELinux in the RHCSA exam? See the solution here. This is the second example. So how you can take care of this? So first you have to uh, manage the policy. So first I am managing the policy of SELinux. And the command is sudo sc manage. And we have to change the file context. It is called f context. Hyphen I means you are adding the context, file context. Which type of the context type? That should be httpd underscore sys content underscore t. That is a correct label that should be of a directory. Then the SELinux will allow. Now you have to specify your directory safely. Write your directory, and after that specify that everything inside it you have to take, right? This way you are adding the file context to this directory by the SELinux. So this will change the policy. It will not relabel the directory. It will change the policy of this directory. After that, we have to apply. Just there is one mistake. I should take care of that. After that, we have to apply the correct label by running this command. You are changing the SELinux file context policy, right? And how you are relabeling? So the command is sudo restorecon hyphen capital R, means recursively for verbose what it is doing, it will tell you. My directory name is web site, right? It will relabel the content. Let's say it has changed the label, correct label or not. So how you can see that directory has a correct label or not after running these two commands. Now see, yes, the label has been changed, right? You can see the label of the directory also because we have changed it recursively. Right? So see the label of directory also. See, the label of directory also has been changed. And now the SELinux must be happy. Now we are running the once again the command to open the web page. Right? Yes. Now the SELinux is happy and you are able to run the home page once again. Apache server is running well. So these are the two examples where we have helped you to fix the SELinux. If you want to see these kind of the videos regularly, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you very much for watching.